How to change email address on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to change your email address on Reddit, then just follow these few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Open up the Reddit app. Head over to your profile in the bottom right. Go to the three lines in the top right, and then you can see settings. Tap on it, and then tap on account settings at the top. Now you'll be able to see update email address option. Just tap on it. And now you just need to put in your new email address and the Reddit password and hit save. And you just need to verify what the Reddit has sent you to your new email, to the old email address to update to your new email address. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.